Thanks for joining me today. My name is Fleta and I'm the Managing Director of Little Green Pharma. And Little Green Pharma is all about transforming the lives of people around the world. We produce pharmaceutical grade cannabis medicines to treat a wide variety of medical conditions. So we're strictly medicinal. We operate across a vertically integrated business model. So this means we operate across the entire supply chain. So that means that we actually cultivate our own cannabis plants, but we also manufacture them into final medicines for patient use. We think that this is really advantageous in such an emerging and new industry because we can really see where the opportunities lie and, most importantly, where value can be captured in each of these supply chain activities. We're Australia's first producer of cannabis medicines, and we've been generating these medicines since August 2018. We were also the first Australian company to export overseas, having patients across the globe who are benefiting from our medicines. We currently have about 12,000 patients in Australia, and we've actually sold more than 60,000 units of medicinal cannabis medicines in total across the world. Last quarter alone, we generated a 2.46 million in revenue and entered the quarter with 28.5 million cash at bank. And our vision is to do extraordinary things for patients, and our purpose is to solve real patient problems. We have a very clear strategy to achieve this vision, and this is how we'll grow. First of all, patient acquisition in Australia. Being the first company in Australia comes with first mover advantage, and brand equity is everything. We estimate we've got about 20% market share in Australia, and this is a really solid demonstration of market validity for the new and emerging markets across the world that we're aiming to target. And this is point number 2, commercial sales volumes in overseas markets. This strategy is really important because this is where we aim to make the most profits. LGP's total addressable market is estimated at $23 billion currently. We're on a really good solid track. We've got firm purchase orders from a company in Germany, and that is for 5.7 million Australian approximately in 2021 calendar year alone. We're also supplying into a French government medicinal cannabis trial. And this is significant because it's this trial that's likely to catalyze the French medicinal cannabis industry. And that's a huge market. We've also shipped to a number of different countries, so including Germany, France, the UK, New Zealand, and even Brazil. So we're right on track to achieving this strategic growth point. Finally, our end game. And this is so important to Little Green Pharma. It's the innovative drug delivery technologies. And this is what's going to solve real patient problems. This technology that we're currently working on aims to generate really small sized particles of active ingredients intended to facilitate improved bioavailability into the human body. And we're looking forward to doing human trials soon. We are so fortunate in that we solve many ESG challenges through our core business activities. Based on the Boston Consulting Group's model, there are 6 dimensions of impact that we look at, and we're really strong in several of these. First of all, the lifetime well-being. This is what we do. We transform lives, and our core business is improving the quality of life of people. In fact, we've initiated the Quest initiative with the University of Sydney, which aims to be the largest observational study ever done using cannabis as the medicine for quality of life purposes. So through this Quest initiative, or the Quest study, which is ethics approved, so important, we drive compassionate and patient access, patient affordability, and much needed education for wider stakeholders. Our operations are in regional Western Australia, so we provide employment and skills training for over 60 people in a southwest community. We proudly employ nearly 60% females, and the age of our employees range from 21 to 73, with 44 being the magic average age number. We aim to continue improving our carbon footprint. We don't use pesticides or other nasties. And we've switched from HPS lighting to LED lighting to save power. However, we're only young, the industry is new, and we're still learning to optimize our operational efficiencies. So we aim to continue exploring renewable power as we expand our operations. Thank you so much for your time today. Please connect with me directly. You can find me on LinkedIn or at fleta@lgpharma.com.au. We love to welcome you to the Little Green family. Thanks very much. Bye for now.